The Crochet Provisional Cast-On is an easy method you can use anytime a provisional cast-on is needed, so anywhere you will want to recover live stitches to work in the opposite direction. You'll need a smooth waste yarn, your working yarn, knitting needles, and a crochet hook. Begin with the waste yarn and make a slip knot on your crochet hook. Hold the crochet hook in your right hand and a knitting needle in your left. Wrap the yarn behind the needle and around. That's counterclockwise if you're looking down the shaft from the point of the needle. Grab the yarn with the hook and pull it through the loop on the hook. Repeat this maneuver until you have the required number of stitches on your needle with waste yarn. Chain a couple more without encircling the needle, then break the waste yarn. Your cast-on is not complete until you have a row of stitches on your needle in your working yarn, so knit one row now with the working yarn. When it's time to remove the waste yarn and recover those stitches, begin at the end where you made the couple of extra chains. The crochet chain won't unzip if you try to start at the slipknot end of the chain. As you unzip the crochet chain, catch each working yarn stitch on a knitting needle as it is released. Now you're ready to graft, keep knitting the other direction, or do whatever you need to do with those live stitches. Give this method a try and let us know how it went in the comments.